take a picture of over there.
Which one?
Over there!
Okay, okay. Let me see.
I said take a picture of the sunset over there.
Well, the sun is already set, Elijah.
No! Oh, the remaining.
Well, I'm looking at it right now. It's already set.
The only one I could find.
That doesn't fit her, babes.
I know when the Earth turns one full round.
Europe?
No.
When the Earth, oh sorry, yeah?
Turns one full round like this around.
Yeah.
Like a ball goes like a ball goes rolling.
Yeah.
Like that. Except it's not moving.
Yeah.
That's one full day.
Yeah.
And when it goes around the sun
Yeah.
one time, it's one full year.
That's good. That's good.